Hey everyone, hope you all had a fantastic weekend, and we're here looking at the weekly wrap. My name's Phil from Forex Bunker, and I hope you enjoy this. We're going to go over EU, AU and GU, and we'll look at what the week has done and what we anticipate the market to do for the week coming. We'll start off with EU. Our first couple of days were pretty much very tightly ranged. I'll just zoom in for you so you can see. These are the last couple of days, first couple of days, sorry. They were a tight range between about 170 pips of total movement, but we never broke this 13870 area, which looked quite highly likely that it would, but it didn't. We had a strong push down. The last Thursday and Friday have pushed up within 70 pips of that original zone. So this week, look very closely at this 13870 mark for price to either respect it again or break through it. Be cautious of shorts or longs around this area, alright? But you can see the market is starting to step down also. So pay close attention to this tight area. So what we have, I'll put in lines in there for you. We have our 13870 to 80 area, and this here 135 even. Alright. So this 370 pip zone is what we're sort of falling into at the moment. So keep a close eye on that. We might see range trading across this week, or we might see a breakout of these levels. But when we do see a breakout, look for the confirmation for either the long or the short. The market is very volatile at the moment, so do pay close attention to the news for quick shifts. Now, GU pretty much sideways this week, but it had a range of 250 pips, which is quite small for GU for the week. So yet again, we are locked into these zones. So I'll draw them for you. There's one here, and the other one's just up here. The market is tightening. It didn't make a new high here. It has been bottoming out on this 159 area. So keep a close eye on this. I do anticipate more than likely that we will push up, but only time will tell as we are moving sideways. Alright. But yet again, same as EU. When it does break, look for the support. Be cautious of these areas not to trade the break as we're moving quite sideways, as it could be faked out quite easily. So look for the confirmed support on either direction before you take a big position. Anyway, AU is pretty much a mimic of EU. We had a slow couple of days. Total pip movement for the week was 360, which isn't too bad. It's not the best, but it's not too bad. First couple of days didn't really move much. We had a tight range of 150 pips, also pretty much like EU. Wednesday we had a huge push down, as it was quite evident by this big candle. Thursday we had our pin bar basically off this level. This level here, I'll zoom out for you so you can see. This pin bar rejected this level and closed above it. Did have a little bit of a push through, but all in all, that's where it stood. So pretty much the same as EU and GU for AU. That's a mouthful, but look for the breaking of these zones here, right? Near the 10450 and this lower area. We might see a fair bit of range trading this week, or we could see a strong breakout to the upside. So keep a close eye on it. That's about all for this week. Just a word of warning across the pairs. We are in a bit of a sideways movement, very turbulent and very volatile markets. So make sure you do approach the market with lots of odds. Each trade, assess your odds and only take the high odds trades. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please let me know.